Hello guys, welcome to our official YouTube channel. Please watch, subscribe. Today's video, I will be talking about how to repair fire alarm system, how to install. So guys, before we continue, please subscribe our channel. So guys, as you see here, we are testing the gas detector. The white one is to see how it beep, show the power. Now it's set. Here I am just programming on the panel so that I check if it is working. But you'll see after installing. So here we are in a big factory, guys. We are installing the fire alarm system, and this is a control panel. See guys, the red one. This is the central processing unit for fire alarm devices. So we have different zones. We have zones. We have alarm sound line, zone line, relays, backup. Inside we have also transformer to convert AC to DC. So here I'm connecting the sounder flasher, probe sounder flasher. So I'm using scaffolding. Down we have a manual call point. So guys, watching. This is a big project. We are in a warehouse. So this system is installed. Here we are in a high building. Trying to connect the sounder flash. So guys, continue watching. And if you have a project, guys, you can contact us on our website, email address. If you need any services concerning fire equipment, whether it is servicing fire alarm, installations, inspection of fire extinguishers. So first, I started by mounting the base of base of this flasher probe, sounder flasher. So now I am mounting the sounder itself. So continue watching. So guys, I can just recommend you guys when you are doing installation in high building or any installation, guys, you need to have a proper PPE. See, you need to have safety boots, gloves, helmets, goggles. Also, if it is a high area, you need to have safety harness. See, here I'm installing, but see guys, this is so poor workmanship. Even I don't have PPE, the safety boot, the helmet. You see guys, this is so dangerous. Let's watch and see. So Karembo, tell people what is going on. So guys, continue watching. I'm using scaffolding. See guys. Road to 10,000 subscribers. So guys, I just urge you not to can support me. Just press the subscription button. Press subscribe, then you can press the bell so that when I upload the right time. So this is the sound of rope. This is the sound of rope, right? So guys, watch and subscribe guys. Let's watch and see what will happen next. Yes, we are road to 10,000 subscribers. Guys, so I'm installing the fire alarm. You have a project guys. Just as you can contact us, call us so that you can come and install alarm using. So guys, I have a question to ask you, fellow audience. In the case of fire, what will you do? In the case of fire, what will you do in case of fire? So I'm waiting your answer comment section. So guys, comment down there. Let's share, tell me what you do in case of fire. You run, you cry, you laugh, or you roll down. So guys, you need answers comment section. Go in there to read it. And if you have any question about fire alarm, you can comment down comment section. Passing through it so that you can answer it guys. So guys, I'm almost done installing the sounder. watch and subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel, guys, so that you will be getting updates on daily basis. Turn the notification bell after subscribing. Turn the bell. Getting updates once the new video pops. So guys, guys. Fire alarm just a system installed in buildings to alert people in case of fire. This system can help you in case of fire. You just press the brake glass, then the brake glass will send signal to the panel. The panel communicate with the sounder, then you will hear the sound from bells or sirens or horn or drop. So when you are connecting detectors, you see the line for detectors. It can go to all detectors. Then you take the call points, then go the last until to the last smoke detector. So the last smoke detector or brake glass, you close the circuit by connecting the resistor 470k resistor to close the line. So guys, you need to keep that in your mind when you are doing installation. So guys, see the go down. So this is the manual call point, Arsenware model Arsenware. It has a glass outside to protect. So that's one to protect the inner glass. So guys, hope you are enjoying our video. If you have a project, guys, my number is 0716771810. You can call that number if you have alarm system, so that I can come and check your system and advise you if you need a service, or if you need repair, or if needs replacement. This is the key to reset the call point. Sitaka kidogo tu, alafu muendelee kuwatch. cabling.
Kula ugali kwanza ndio kule fish. Kwani simefanya hiyo test jana Anajua ni test ya fish. Hata harufu yake akisikia tu hivi. Hiyo. Wewe.
That is the call point that I am connecting now. Almost done. Yeah, guys, I am done with connecting call point. See, guys. See, so smart, guys. See the sound up and the conduit clipped by saddles. So guys, this is how you can test the smoke detector. You just spray using the Solo smoke tester. It comes with the 250 ml. So this comes at when you want it to come at 5,000 per piece. So guys, we are doing the routine checkup service of fire alarm. This is the control panel. So here I am checking the voltage. If the smoke detector hiyo mikeso
chika anakataa ugali ya kule fish. Hata fish itatoka wapi? Nani? Daddy. Hapo. Sasa unataka kukula fish, hataki kukula ugali.
So guys,
kula. Kula basi.
You need to have the PPE, you see the helmet. This is the smoke detector, guys. Smoke detector. On the other hand, I have a multimeter.
Nani? Ngaji. Unakuanga na mapepo tu tukibai fish. Ni kwa nini? Hivyo tukule.
See the smoke detector has triggered. Now I have to reset. You remove it so that it can clear the fault. It's the ladder. I go to the next detector, guys.
Amelia kanyongwa na ungali.
See guys, spray. When the detector is activated, you will see the red light. When you want to reset it, you just remove it from the line, then you return it. It clears the fault. See the instructor, guys. Is that detector okay? A boss is asking, is that detector okay? Yeah, it is okay. You see, we are now testing and everything will be well, my boss. Yeah. Yes. Yes, guys. See, you see, I'm trying to remove the concentration of smoke tester. enda uoge tu, kwani kuna shida. So this is annual routine service of fire detection. See how we conduct the service, guys. But I recommend the best thing to use. You need to have a blower that will be using to blow to remove the dust. See, guys, you need to have a name tag, the helmet, reflector, so that you will be identified. The people who are around the premises or the building will identify you as a fireman doing the services. So here, guys, this is the AVS automatic voltage switch. So this is a fire alarm control panel model Asenware. So guys, see the spark switch to feed the panel, feed the AVS feed the control panel. That is the key for accessing if we want to access inside the panel, maybe you want to change the batteries, so you open using those keys. After replacing or operating the inside the panel, then you can remove your key for safety. So guys, hope you are enjoying the video. I just reason to bring a fire alarm documentary video, just talking about fire alarm only, the panels, the detections, sounders, the code points, brake glasses, the beam detectors, the gas detectors. So guys, today hope you are enjoying the video. Just take your time, watch the full video. See, that is the spark switch, guys, feeding the AVS automatic voltage switch. From automatic voltage switch, it feeds the control panel. The work of automatic voltage switch AVS is just to protect the panel. So in case of false power, the panel is protected by this AVS. So guys, a good job, engineer. So here we are doing determination. You see the cabling, it's not yet done, not yet over. So see guys, so see, this is the motherboard, the transformer, the inner batteries, backup batteries. This one can sustain this panel for 24 hours. In case of there's fault in power, it can sustain. See the speaker, the motherboard, the resistors, the capacitors. See the cabling inside the panel, guys. See the batteries, size 12 volts, 3.4 amperes per hour. Also up there we have the AVS. Those are zones: zone 1, zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zone and sound align. This is the transformer to convert a alternative current to DC current. Then it charges the battery. This system uses a direct current. Continue watching, guys. This is the panel. This panel is fault. See, guys, even the brake glass need replacement. So when you replace the brake glass, it will clear the lights you are seeing. Those lights, the indicator light, that the lights shows the system is faulty. So you need to change the brake glass so that the panel can clear the fault. So guys, here we have Cooper fire system. Cooper is a brand of Menvia. This is addressable system. So when you want to operate this system, you need to have, this is it on, to have the key to access the panel. Also you need to know the password to enter this panel.